Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to clear chats in WhatsApp quick and easy. Method 1. Clear an individual chat. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, open the chat that you want to clear. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on More. Then, select Clear Chat. You can also choose whether to delete media from your gallery. Tap Clear Chat to confirm. Now, all messages in this chat have been cleared. Method 2. Clear all chat history. First, open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Next, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Chats. Scroll down again and select Chat History. Tap on Clear All Chats. You'll see options to delete media from your gallery and delete starred messages. Choose the options you prefer. Then tap Clear Chats to confirm. Wait a few seconds and return to the main screen. And that's it. You've successfully cleared all your WhatsApp chats. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.